In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a code on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open the Steam app on your PC and log into your account. Make sure you're using the desktop app, not the website, and that you're signed into the account where you want the game or DLC to live. Redeemed products are tied to the account you're using, so it's worth taking a second to confirm you're in the right one. A stable internet connection helps here, too, since Steam will need to talk to its servers to validate your code. Once you're in, look along the top of the Steam window for the menu bar and click the Games menu. This is where Steam keeps all the options related to adding and managing products. From that drop-down, choose Activate a product on Steam. This opens a quick setup window that guides you through the redemption process. It's the official, built-in way to claim codes from retail boxes, digital key retailers, bundles, and promotional offers. Click Next, and if you're prompted, review and accept the Steam subscriber agreement. This is the standard agreement that covers the use of your account and the content you redeem. You'll only need to accept it if you haven't done so recently. Now you'll see a box where you can enter your product code. Type it carefully, or copy and paste it if you received it digitally. Most codes include groups of letters and numbers, sometimes with hyphens. Steam usually handles the formatting, so you don't need to add anything extra. Watch for easy mix-ups like the letter O versus the number 0, and try to avoid pasting extra spaces. If your key came with specific region or platform notes, make sure it's intended for Steam on PC. After entering the code, confirm to proceed. If the key is valid, Steam will immediately add the game or DLC to your library and display a success message. Head to your library to find the new title in the list on the left. Select it and click Install to start the download. For DLC, look for it under the Games DLC section. It may install automatically or alongside the main game. If you see a message that the product is already owned, invalid, or region restricted, Steam will tell you. Just read the prompt so you know what happened. That's all there is to it. You've redeemed your code, and your content is now tied to your account and ready to install. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.